Hey there, folks! Welcome to an exciting journey towards unlocking your vitality. Have you ever felt like your energy and stamina just aren't what they used to be? Maybe you find yourself getting tired more easily or struggling to keep up with your daily activities. Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people experience a decline in energy as they age, but the good news is, there's something you can do about it. Today I'm diving into something that could change your life: Nitric Boost Ultra. This supplement is designed to help you regain your energy and vitality. Alright, let's get into the science of vitality. Understanding how our bodies work is key to unlocking our full potential. As we age, our bodies naturally produce less nitric oxide, which is essential for maintaining energy, endurance, and overall well-being. This molecule plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. This drop in nitric oxide can lead to a decline in energy levels, physical performance, and even sexual health. It's a natural part of aging, but it doesn't have to be a limiting factor. But here's the exciting part: Nitric Boost Ultra is here to help. This supplement is formulated to boost your body's nitric oxide production. Now, what's in this game-changing formula? Let's take a closer look at the ingredients that make Nitric Boost Ultra so effective. Nitric Boost Ultra combines L-arginine, L-citrulline, beetroot extract, and pine bark extract. These natural ingredients are known for their ability to enhance nitric oxide production. These ingredients work together to boost nitric oxide production in your body, improving blood flow, muscle pumps, and cardiovascular health. This means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your muscles and organs. Imagine feeling more energetic, stronger, and ready to take on any challenge. Whether it's climbing a hill or simply enjoying a day out, Nitric Boost Ultra can make a difference. But don't just take my word for it. The real proof comes from those who have experienced the benefits firsthand. Let's hear from some real users who have experienced the benefits of Nitric Boost Ultra firsthand. Their stories are truly inspiring and show the potential of this supplement. Wow, powerful stuff, right? These testimonials highlight the transformative impact Nitric Boost Ultra can have on your life. Nitric Boost Ultra isn't just about enhancing your workouts, it's about restoring your peak performance and vitality. It's about feeling your best every day. It's scientifically backed and designed to help you reclaim your youthful energy and strength. The research behind it is solid, ensuring you get the best results. So how do you get started? It's simple. Incorporating Nitric Boost Ultra into your daily routine is easy and can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. Just take Nitric Boost Ultra as directed and watch as your energy levels soar, your workouts improve, and your overall well-being gets a major boost. It's a small change with big benefits. Remember, aging is natural, but feeling old doesn't have to be. With the right support, you can maintain your vitality and enjoy life to the fullest. With Nitric Boost Ultra, you can take control of your health and performance and live life to the fullest. Don't wait any longer. The time to act is now. Give Nitric Boost Ultra a try and experience the difference for yourself.